In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to easily deactivate a page on Facebook. Be sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Tap on the menu icon in the down right corner to access your options. You need to switch from your main Facebook profile to the page you want to deactivate it. To do this, tap the arrow icon to view your profile and all your packs. Select the page you wish to deactivate. Once you're on your page, tap on the menu again and look for the gear icon to go to Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, you'll see a search box or search line at the top. Type in Access and Control to find the option quickly. Tap on Access and Control and you'll see the option for deactivated and deletion. To deactivate your page, select the Deactivate option. This will usually be set as a default settings. Tap Continue. You'll be prompted to enter your Facebook password. You can use autofill for convenience, then hit Continue. You'll then choose an option to indicate that this is temporary. For example, you might select this is temporary, I'll be back. Scroll down and tap on the next button. At this point, you'll have some additional options, such as logging out instead of deactivating, saving post in your archive, and settings an automatic reactivation period. The default settings is 7 days, meaning your page will automatically reactivate after the time. If you prefer to deactivate your page and reactivate it manually later, select Don't Reactivate Automatically. This gives you more control over when to reactivate. Tap Continue to proceed to the next step, where you can manage your information transfer. Finally, to deactivate your page, tap on the button that says Deactivate Page. Your page will now be deactivated until you manually reactivate it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching.